If you want to get better as a landscape artist, I've got 5 books that you need to own and read right now. Hi, everybody. This is Brian from Art Partner Limited. You know, getting better as an artist requires learning from others. It can drastically improve the speed with which you learn how to paint. Otherwise, you'll be stuck at cave drawing level a lot longer than you want to be. Here are 5 great book recommendations to improve your craft in 2023. Number 5 is a good all-around technique book for oils, watercolor, and acrylics. It has some incredible basic techniques and enough exercises in here to keep you busy learning for a long time. Just apply these techniques to other subjects you are painting. I use this one in many of my workshops, and it will greatly improve your paintings immediately. Color mixing is essential for harmonious, beautiful colors, and John Potoshnik teaches you how to mix any color you need out of just 3 colors. Even if you love your tubes of color like I do, you can up your color mixing game by digging hard into this book and accompanying video. This book is heavy technical, but so well written that the beginner can understand and apply much of this book immediately. Where our number 1 book leaves off, Ken Solis picks up and runs. There are incredible explanations of composition templates, value and color temperature change guidance, and a few challenging exercises to make your paintings more vibrant. Kevin McPherson, one of the most respected plein air painters in the world today, explains that some of the most effective ways to paint your landscapes from start to finish in plein air or in the studio. I continually reference this book every time I paint something new and challenging. His guidance is so effective that I keep coming back to this one. If you purchase only one landscape painting book ever in your life, then let it be this one, Carlson's Guide to Landscape Painting. This book, originally published in 1929, is still regarded by landscape artists as the definitive guide to painting landscapes. It's often required reading in order to attend many landscape artist workshops around the world. The guidance is so solid and sound that instructors want their students to read it to set a baseline on which to build during the workshops. That's how I discovered it, so start with this one. I hope these recommendations have been helpful to you in your painting journey. Be sure to like and subscribe so we can deliver more great content to you. And while you're here, check out our other great videos on your screen. Go ahead, click one of them. Do it. Go ahead. I'll wait. Click.